Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Quick Tips. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to transfer USDT from Bybit using UID. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more straightforward crypto guides. Bybit is one of the top exchanges out there, and using UID makes transfers faster and more secure, especially in 2025 when regulations are tightening up. Let's get right into it. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Bybit account. Make sure you're on a secure network to protect your assets. Once you're logged in, head over to the Assets or Wallet section. This is where you can see all your cryptocurrencies, including USDT. Next, select USDT from your list of assets. Now, look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. Here's where UID comes in. Bybit's UID system allows for quick internal transfers between users without needing a full blockchain address. To use it, enter the recipient's UID in the designated field. Double-check that it's correct to avoid any mistakes. Before you proceed, you'll have to set the amount you want to transfer. Enter the exact figure, and don't forget to check any network fees. Bybit might prompt you to confirm your identity or enable two-factor authentication for added security. Always do this to keep your funds safe. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You'll get a confirmation screen with details like the transaction ID. Sit tight. Transfers using UID are usually instant or take just a few minutes. And there you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from Bybit using UID in 2025. Remember, crypto can be risky, so only transfer what you're comfortable with. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.